So how do you start a dance school or theatre school for that matter? Well, that's what this video is all about. Hi, my name is Sarah, founder of The Dance Den, and I am a dance business mentor, and I help people like yourself, dance teachers, theatre teachers, who want to start a school or want to grow their school into something much bigger, huge, with 350 plus students, which is what I used to have. Then you've come to the right place. So, starting a school. Now, it's all very well and good saying, yeah, I'm going to start a couple of classes and I'm just going to open up in my local area. I'm just going to do a few classes. But realistically, in the eyes of the law, particularly HMRC, right, you are a business. Therefore, from the outset, whether it is 1 or 2 classes or whether it is 21 classes, you're a business. And when you set it up that way, and when you go in with the right mindset from the outset, you are setting yourself up for a much better success and less stress and less, what am I doing, further down the line than you necessarily need. So getting it right from the beginning is absolutely crucial. Now, I've always said strong foundations build an amazing school. Now, if you think about building a building, a house, okay, there's a reason the builders dig down. They go down and then they build the foundations and then they build up. If they just went and just threw, some bricks and some wood, you can tell I'm not a builder, right? Put a roof on that, that'll be fine. Well, the whole thing will be falling down in no time at all, right? Think of your business exactly the same way. If you don't go in with the right terms and conditions, the right legal requirements, if you don't do the right research, if you don't do the right maths, and know that you are coming out with the right price point for your school, if you don't go in with the right values and morals and ethics so that you're really starting this school on the right foot, if you don't go in with the right vision to know the path that you're trying to create, then you're building yourself rocky foundations, and that's not a good starting point. All right. Now I'm going to go back a stage from this. When you decide to open a dance or theatre school, you do have options, right? You can, maybe you're approached by your previous dance teacher who says, I'm thinking of, moving on from this, and you're ready to buy an established school. Maybe you're looking at setting up a charity and then therefore you're running it as a CIC. Maybe you're looking at running it as a franchise, or you buy certain types of licenses and you're running it as a dance school under maybe your own name and running licenses alongside of it, like Little Beats, like Melody Bear, like all of these sorts of things. So you've got a starting block to work from. No matter where or how you start, you are starting a business. I cannot stress that enough. All right. So what are the first steps to doing it? Well, there's an easy starting point. Buy my book. Okay. The Dance School Owner's Survival Guide. Everything you need to set up and run a successful dance school. Why did I write it? Because 24 years ago, when I opened my dance school back in 1999, there was no such thing as this. And I learned the hard way and from experience. So everything that's in this book, let me get to the thing, comes in almost 3 sections, right? You've got the section here before you think about opening. That's me questioning, okay? Is this the right path for you before you set down on it, okay? And really asking the questions about what do you want in your school, okay? Then we go obviously through the foundations and the setup, where we talk about your goals, where we talk about you as a business, where we talk about your ideal customer. Who are you attracting to your business? Yes, we talk money, legalities, location, staff and equipment, marketing and additional revenue. All of this needs to be in place when you open, okay? Then it goes to when you're opening, which is your launch day, your enrollment, your preparation, politics, and going cuckoo, right? Okay, I had to put that one in there because there are sometimes you just go a bit like, whoa, what did I do? What did I do? Of course, we're passionate people. We're so invested in our art and what we do, but it's also a business. I don't know how many times I've said this in the video, maybe 3. But I need to get it through to you. This is a business, okay? Common mistakes are here, and then conversations with the dance school owner. And I think that, even that chapter in its own right, is just gold, because this is coming from people like myself who've been there, done it, got that t-shirt in many, many colors, and they are willing to share their knowledge with you so that when you step forward and you start your own dance or theatre school, you do it, pardon the pun, on the right foot. I will drop a link in for this for you in this video. But if you've got any questions, reach out and don't forget to subscribe.